Happy Tuesday, everybody. Halloween week. That's fun. As you can see, this is my costume. I mean, I totally could have just done my head and then put the shirt on or something, but I'm in full costume right now. Because I take every excuse I get to dress up like Jack frickin' Sparrow because it's fun. This is probably like the first time you guys have seen me with makeup on. That's a thing. I don't really wear makeup very often. Also, bit of a problem. In case you didn't know, I'm a girl and I don't grow facial hair. So, it took me a while to grow this lovely little patch of hair. I was totally actually trying to make like a little dread things because he has the like things. In honor of Halloween, other than dressing up, I'm gonna make myself some decorations for my kitchen that are all Halloween themed. Oh, and I also got some Halloween candy to snack on while I was doing this. And there's some little eyeballs. So basically, I decided I would talk about Halloween while I was making these decorations. I feel like that's more in focus. I love Halloween. It is honestly one of my favorite holidays. Even though it's not really like technically a holiday, you know, like you don't get time off school or work or anything. I worked on Halloween last year. That was okay. I got to dress up, so that was fun. I love Halloween because I mean you just get to dress up as whatever the frick you want, right? And then when you're younger, free candy. There's always fireworks in my hometown. Scary movies. Okay, I don't like horror movies. They scare me. They like freak me out. I like kind of like cheesy horror films. The kind I watch on Halloween when I do watch horror films are like the old 50s, The Blob, Jaws. That's not really like horror, but like that kind of thing. And I love Rocky Horror Picture Show. That is a must-see on Halloween. I'm actually going this weekend on the 27th, going to a midnight showing in a theater here in Vancouver of Rocky Horror Picture Show. It should be so good because I love that movie. If you've not seen Rocky Horror Picture Show, I recommend seeing if a theater near you is showing it because they usually show it around Halloween. It's just so funny. It's so weird, but it's so funny. It's so worth it. If you regret going, you can yell at me. And wanna know what I hate though? I hate like slutty Halloween costumes. You see ridiculous ones like slutty nun and just slutty nurse. I don't know. I think they're kind of silly. And I just think it's dumb. When they're for adults, I'm like, okay, fine, whatever. But then they have freaking ones for preteen kind of age. And it's like this little 13-year-old girl and like hardly any clothes. And I'm like, really? What are you teaching society's preteens now? Really? So dumb. When I was their age, I was dressing up as like a freaking clown. My dad used to have like a million clown outfits, so I used to go as a clown a lot. A lion, or I don't even remember, but it was definitely not slutty. So here's my pumpkin. I'm gonna cut it out and I will put it somewhere in my house. I look forward to seeing everybody's videos and costumes if you guys dress up and just your thoughts on Halloween. I would totally try to just do like a Jack Sparrow sign off, but I'm not good at the accent. Oh, I totally should have. This isn't rum, but I totally should have sat with these alcohol bottles here and been all like, "Where's the rum?" That wasn't my attempt at his voice. Yeah. Anyways, bye.